Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Beauty by Jazz and I am Jasmine, of course. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe. In this video, we're going to do an eyebrow tutorial. If you want to see different videos in the future, let me know and let's get started. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and did this one so that way you can see the finished product basically. It's nice and pretty and outlined and already filled in. So what we're gonna go ahead and with is our dip brow. I use the Anastasia dip brow pomade. I go in with the color dark brown. And then I use a little spoolie brush. It has a little angle brush on the end, and then there's a spoolie at the end. Alright, so we're gonna get started. So I like to just take a little bit, this is how it looks at the inside. Take a little bit on that brush. So that way, you don't have to get too much over product on there, just enough to cover the brush. And then we're gonna start right here at the very beginning, and then we're gonna go all the way to the end, basically. All right. So you can just do light strokes. Then we're going to take that same brush. It should still have some product on it, so you don't have to redip it. And then go above the brow. Okay. And then so we're going to fill that in with the product that's left on the brow. Try and get as much as this product on our brow that's on our brush already. Then you might have to go in and just get a little bit more of the product. Then we're basically just following the way that our hairs go, basically. Just filling that in. You don't have to go fast at all. And then you see how I have still some room right here. What I'm gonna do is basically go upward in an upward motion. So we'll fill in kind of normal. So we're just gonna go up just to give it that natural look, basically. And just take your time with it. And then we're going to take that spoolie part, then brush upward, and I brush upward and back. So just to brush that product in. Then I'm just going to get a little bit more of that product on my brush. Sometimes I like to go this way too. It's just my preference. You guys don't have to do it. If it looks a little don't worry about it. We're gonna clean it up. All right, guys. So we're gonna go in with our L.A Girl Pro Concealer. This is what I use to fix my eyebrows, basically. I use the color Fawn, and you can either use the brush that's on here or you can use an actual like concealer brush. So I'm gonna use a Morphe M12 brush basically. And this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit out on my hand, so just a tiny bit. And then just gonna get a little on the brush. We go fix this up nice and pretty and be clean. All right, just gonna start from the middle. Well, closer towards the end, sorry, closer towards the end, not the middle. And then just take light strokes. Just go the same way on that brow. And then gradually pull it to the front. Then I'm just gonna pull this down a little bit. And then what I like to do as well is go in with my foundation above the brow to give more of a little bit of a definition. And I use the NYX Born to Glow in the color Cappuccino. Just put a little of that on my hand. I don't know about you guys, but one of my brows are just a little bit differently from the other. They're not twins, they're sister. The goal is to make sure they're not cousins. And then I'm just gonna clean this off just a little bit, so that way it's not white basically when it goes over my brow, because my concealer is a little bit lighter than my actual skin color. So wipe that off just a little bit. Take a little bit of that foundation. It's on the brush. And then go above the brow. And again, light strokes. You don't have to rush through this. Take your time. And I didn't fully fill it in because I'm going to go back in with that dip brow pomade, because I realized that I need to fill it in just a tiny bit more right here. But so I'm going to get as much product as that there. And then again, I was saying I was going back in with that dip brow pomade with that same brush. I just didn't make my tail a little bit longer. So I just want to make sure it matches this one. So I can see it matches this one now. I just made it a tiny bit too short. So it happens sometimes, don't worry about it. So then again, take your time. Don't rush through it. Alright. So then I'm gonna take, to basically buff this foundation as well as this concealer out, I'm gonna take a Morphe M157 brush, M157 brush, and basically buff this out. So that way it's just not just there. Then just go in like strokes. And then do the same thing with that concealer that's up underneath the brow. And then you would buff it out a little bit in the middle as well. Because normally this is when you'll be putting on your foundation as well. But you don't have to. If you just want to do your brows, then that's completely fine as well. I have a little bit of foundation on my hand, so I'm just going to take that. And then I'm just going to take this foundation brush. And then clean it up again with that spoolie. So bring it back out just a tiny bit so that way it's back in that natural looking state. That's our brow, guys. Nice, cleaned up. Concealer at the bottom, foundation at the top. Not too harsh, give it a nail lap. It's a little natural at the beginning. And voila. Alright guys, that's our eyebrow tutorial. Hope you guys like it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!